So download the spreadsheet from the website. This is exactly what the spreadsheet will look like, radio listener survey. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the top two rows here because I don't want to have that in my spreadsheet. All I want to have is the row or the column titles and the data. Now you notice here that we have quite a bit of information. We're looking at almost 100 data points in 5 different columns. So when you start looking through for the first part of the exercise in the workbook to actually find those percentages and write them down, it's a little bit tedious to have to look through all of this data. Now imagine what it would be like if this spreadsheet was 100 columns wide and thousands of rows tall. It would be almost impossible to do something like this by hand. You could do it, just wouldn't be very easily done. There's a few methods of manipulating data in a spreadsheet to get answers. Now basically what we're looking for here in this exercise is the young adult males in the Dallas market that would be interested in a NASCAR race. Well, no, they're the ones that are interested in a NASCAR race. It's the young adult males. And so what you're looking for is which type of music they are interested in, which type of music they listen to. So one method is to use filters. Let's highlight all of the columns here and go to the Data tab at the top. Click on Data, and over here on the right you see the filter. Click on Filter, and automatically over here on the left you get these drop down boxes that show up. Now what we can do here is we can select any combination. Let's say we want to select Atlanta and Seattle, and then we want to look at only the teenage group. So now what we've done is through our drop down box we have chosen, you see we only have Atlanta and Seattle. We've got both male and female. We've only got the teenagers, and then we've got the different percentages. So that's really narrowed down the amount of data that we have to look at. You notice that the data isn't gone. We jump from row 1 to row 50, 51, 52, 53, through 55, and then we skip down to the 70s. The data is all still there, it just hides it. So that way we don't actually see the data that's being filtered out. So filters are one way to do it, but it's not the best way to try this if you have, like I said, a large spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and create a pivot